Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my natural hair, but it's like natural hair YouTuber style, okay? Because I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive I do more to my hair than the average person, okay? It's borderline unhealthy, but that's neither here nor there. First, let me start by explaining what's going on here. I had my hair in a sleek ponytail. I sure did. And it was good. But the thing is, it only looks good when it's in that sleek ponytail. So basically, it's time for me to wash it because I got other styles to do. I left it in there for like 2 days, like the low ponytail for like 2 days. And the middle is still a little wet, but it's fine. Don't freak out. It's fine. So first, I'm going to shampoo with the Miche Cleansed sulfate free shampoo, and then I'm gonna go in with this leave-in. This is by Creative Botanicals. Y'all should already know how I feel about this leave-in. So how did I get here? But inches though. Inches. Okay, so I'm gonna just get in the shower and go ahead and do some to this hair right quick. Disclaimer, I know that I'm doing a lot to my hair, but I am going on vacation. I'm going to Cuba August 8th. That gives me, at the time that this is being filmed, 5 days to prepare for that, and I still want to have videos out for you guys. So basically, I'm just going to be doing a lot to my hair, so bear with me. Just know that I don't do this every single week. This particular week, I'm going through a lot. Okay y'all, so I just finished applying the leave-in. I'm actually about to style my hair, and I'm going to show y'all about that a little later, but I just want to come through and show y'all what moisturized hair looks like. Don't even know how to act. Okay y'all, so I am in the middle of styling my hair. I know it looks crazy and everything like that, but if you haven't seen the video, you want to see how this ends up turning out, how it looks, and what I used and everything like that, I will have it linked up there, so you guys should go ahead and check it out. But I just want to, check in with y'all, let you know that I am, in fact, doing something with my hair. So what I'm going to go do right now is sit under the dryer and, find out what these results are looking like. Alright y'all, so this is my take on finger waves. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really cute. I think this is a very fancy type of look. Alright y'all, so it's the next day and I just wrapped my hair up like this to the back with a satin scarf. And then I banded my hair with scrunchies like all the way down because I wanted the finger waves to still look finger wave-alicious, if that makes any sense at all. But yeah, and I kept these bobby pins in because lazy, and that's just, I'm keeping it 100% here. So I'm just gonna take this down. Okay, so it's definitely fluffier than it was yesterday, but I mean, it would be even more fluffy if I didn't band it. So not really upset at all. I might throw it out later. We'll see. All right, y'all. So the time came sooner rather than later. It's literally been 10 minutes and I'm like, I'm gonna throw it out because big hair, not finna care. So I'm just gonna pull. You can do this with an oil, but me, a little lazy right now. And the oil's all the way over there. I'm literally just taking it apart. Alright, y'all, so I have more filming to do today, but in the meantime, I'm not gonna go out with my hair like this. Not that there's like anything particularly wrong with it, but this is just not my style for the day. So I'm just gonna take this little visor and put it on, pull up on me. Yeah, but I'm just gonna and I think I'm just gonna do some like a half up, half down type of vibe because this isn't a final style or anything. I'm just hungry. It's time for me to eat. And I need to, no, pretty much all I gotta do is eat. But I don't like to go places when my hair looking a hot mess. Like it could look like not that great, but it can't be looking like trash, you know? So I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. Okay, y'all, it is shampoo time. It is definitely that time. I'm gonna be protective styling because I'm finna go to Cuba and I just don't want to have to worry about my hair. So I plan on doing braids to my hair, but the first step to doing braids to my hair is definitely shampooing all this extra gel and stuff. Y'all see this right here? Yeah, getting all of that out of my scalp so I can start with a clean scalp so I can just keep my protective style in and live the whole life. So what I'm going to be shampooing with is this Afro Love shampoo. It's very, 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 let me see if it'll focus. Focus. Okay, so this bad boy is very, very, very cleansing. I plan on using this to just strip whatever is in my hair, so that when I put the new products in for the protective style, you know, it's just not a whole bunch of product buildup and all of that. So this is what my hair is looking like. And I'm going to just shampoo this bad boy. Alright, y'all, so I shampooed my hair. I'm currently deep conditioning. If you guys want to see how I prep for this protective style, go ahead and click the link above because shameless plug. I filmed everything so you guys can see it. But yeah, I'm just going to deep condition, rinse it out, and get straight into doing this protective style because your girl, I'm just ready for my hair to be done. Like, can somebody please come do my hair because I'm tired. I'm over it. But yeah, I'm just, you know, a little deep condition, going crazy. Okay, y'all, so hair is blued out or whatever. I just blew it out, and now I can finally get into this protective style business. Oh, this just took so long. And I haven't even started the protective style yet. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. Like I said, if y'all want to see, you know, my whole process for prepping for a protective style, click the link. But just want to show you guys what I'm looking like. Hair long, money long. Ain't got no sense. Okay, so I guess I'll check back in with you guys when I'm, you know, finishing up some braids or when my hair is completely braided, whichever comes first.